Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you 5 best electric griddle. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. Commercial Electric Griddle 29-inch. Large countertop griddle, non-stick flat top grill, stainless steel, teppanyaki griddle, with adjustable temperature 90 degrees Fahrenheit - 575 degrees Fahrenheit. Special feature, heating evenly, temperature control on both sides, keep warm setting, non-stick coating, easy to clean, heating evenly, temperature control on both sides, keep warm setting, non-stick coating, easy to clean. Brand, Kabob. Item weight, 71.6 pounds. Style, modern professional. Large cooking area, the professional commercial griddle is made of high-quality stainless steel with a non-stick cooking surface. The large cooking area is 28.5 inch x 15.7 inch, providing enough cooking space. And 10 mm thick steel cooking surface heats evenly to ensure consistent cooking result. You can use it to cook multiple dishes at the same time, saving a lot of time. It is suitable for restaurants, hotels, and concession stands. Adjustable temperature. There are 2 temperature control knobs on the panel of the flat-top grill. We can turn the dial to adjust the temperature and meet the cooking needs of different foods. The temperature range of the electric griddle is 90 degrees Fahrenheit - 575 degrees Fahrenheit, 32 degrees Celsius, 301 degrees Celsius. With the dense heating coils, foods are able to be cooked evenly and thoroughly. Easy to clean, the surface of the grill is smooth and non-stick, which is easy to clean. The griddle has a large capacity grease tray, which helps to collect excess grease and food residues, and the waste oil and food can also be quickly cleaned through the grease tray. User-friendly, the griddle pan has extra splash guards to minimize splattering of hot grease. Curled edges protect hand from scratches. In order to reduce the housing's temperature of the grill, multiple vents have been specially designed. An overheat protection will turn on when the oil temperature reaches 575 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 2. Presto 0706 122-inch electric griddle. With removable handles. Brand, Presto. Item weight, 5.7 pounds. Included components, 1 slide-out drip tray, Presto 0706 122-inch electric griddle. Extra large cooking surface, this 22-inch electric griddle offers an expansive cooking area, perfect for preparing meals for the entire family. The XL griddle ensures you have plenty of space to cook multiple items at once. Non-stick ceramic coating. The non-stick electric griddle features a PFAS-free ceramic coating with a textured surface, providing superior non-stick performance and making it easier to clean up after cooking. Removable handles for easy storage. The innovative design includes detachable handles, allowing the XL griddle to fit in most standard 18-inch cabinets. Simply open the latch clips to remove the handles for compact storage. Precision temperature control. The Control Master heat control system maintains your desired cooking temperature automatically, ensuring consistent results every time you use your non-stick electric griddle. Easy to clean. The slide-out drip tray collects excess grease and removes easily for quick and hassle-free cleanups. Plus, the heavy cast aluminum base is virtually warp-proof and fully immersible when the heat control is detached. Durable and reliable design. Crafted from heavy cast aluminum, this electric griddle is built to last, offering long-lasting durability and even heat distribution, making it a reliable addition to your kitchen. Number 3. T-Fal Opti Grill. Stainless steel XL electric grill, 6 servings, 9 intelligent automatic cooking modes, 1800 watts, non-stick removable plates, dishwasher safe, indoor, frozen food. The smartest grill ever, precision technology that calculates ingredient thickness and adjusts cooking automatically. This is not just an indoor grill, it's also a panini press, a griddle, and a sandwich maker, offering endless meal options. XL capacity, cook for 8 with ease, grill up to 6 to 8 servings at once on your electric grill, making family meals a snap. 9 smart cooking programs. Our PTFA non-stick indoor grill comes with 9 pre-programmed settings for hamburger, poultry, fish, sandwiches, and even more. 2x less smoke with fast results. This powerful indoor grill ensures fast and homogeneous results with minimal smoke, compared to the T-Fal TG80 grill. Up to 44% less fat. The inclined plates and juice tray on our electric grill facilitate the removal of excess fat. Number 4. Commercial Electric Griddle, 24-inch. 3500 W240V Electric Countertop Griddle Heavy-Duty Flat-Top Grill Restaurant Electric Griddle Grill, Adjustable Temperature Control 122 to 572 degrees Fahrenheit. Special featured dual cooking area, heating evenly, large slide-out oil drip tray, easy to clean, electric griddle. Brand Topkitch. Wattage, 3,500 watts. Item weight, 75 pounds. Included components, commercial griddle, spatula. Material type free, lead free. Large cooking area, 24-inch * 16-inch large cooking area. The 12mm thick steel cooking surface heats evenly throughout for consistent cooking results, no matter where you place food on the griddle plate. You can cook multiple dishes at the same time on this griddle to meet your fast and large demand. It is the best choice for commercial use. Precision temperature control, temp range 122-575 degrees Fahrenheit. You could choose the temperature according to your dishes. Dual cooking area and temperature control to meet your fast demand in rush hour. This electric griddle is very suitable for caterers, backyard cooks, steak shops, snack bars or restaurant use to cook everything from pancakes to blackened ribeye. How to avoid sticking pan. 1. Use right amount of oil evenly during use. Less oil or uneven oil will cause the cooking plate to stick too. Do not burn the oil. Proper seasoning takes time and patience, and the process cannot be accelerated by using higher heat settings. Daily maintenance. 1. There is an oil film sticker on the cooking plate that prevents oxidation of the squeegee. Clean it before use. 2. The surface residue must be cleaned up after daily use. 3. If you do not use the griddles for a long time, it is recommended to apply a layer of edible oil to avoid the plate to be rust. Number 5. Indoor Barbecue Kabob Skewers Grill. Smokeless Auto 360 degrees rotating electric barbecue skewers rotisserie, 3-in-1 indoor electric tabletop grill with removable lid, dual zone cooking. Brand, XHJ. Special feature, dual zone cooking, auto rotating, temperature control, smokeless, non-stick coating, versatile, compact dual zone cooking, auto rotating, temperature control, smokeless, non-stick coating, versatile, compact. Fuel type electric. 3-in-1 smokeless indoor grilling machine, the versatile tabletop grill machine design with removable function that allows you to easily switch between the grill pan, rotating skewers, and grill grates. This versatility means you can grill, bake, and even fry a variety of foods, such as steak, lamb kebabs, hot dogs, hamburgers, shrimp, grilled fish, oysters, corn, vegetables, and more. The indoor grill with upper and lower layers for dual zone cooking, this virtually smoke-free grill is perfect for indoor use. Parrilla Electrica para cocinar. 360 degrees auto-rotating Kabob skewers rotisserie. This high-quality electric indoor grill built-in 360 degrees rotating motor system that ensures even heat distribution for perfectly grilled dishes every time. No need to flip the skewers manually, so you can enjoy the delicious taste of barbecue Kabob skewers at home. Smokeless grilling. Enjoy outdoor flavor indoors. This indoor countertop grill features a removable tempered glass lid to avoid the spread of oil smoke. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.